Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Musings of Akanksha. So since it is summer vacations and kids need to be engaged, we are today going to a very fun and exciting place. Stay tuned to see where are we going. So we have come to Tingaland Punjabi Bagh and I cannot wait for all the fun. Okay, so as soon as we entered, we saw so many fun activities waiting for us. The science-inspired activities attracted kids a lot and they had a great time experiencing the little wonders. How the balls, the piece of cloth is vacuumed by the pipe and then falls back was indeed a marvel. And now comes the fun part, the slides. So there was a tube slide and a donut slide, which I wanted to do myself. But alas, adults were not allowed. Oh yes, and kids had super fun doing the gun shooter and the hanging bridge activity. I tell you, soft play areas are so good for kids' sensory, motor and mental development. The fun at the soft play area ended with meeting and dancing with Tinga Dojo. I swear kids had a blast. And then we moved on to the outdoor fun at Tingaland Extreme. As much as I am a fan of indoor play areas, I am equally a fan of outdoor play too, as it encourages a child to be fearless, move out of its comfort zone and feel accomplished in their achievements. Oh yes, and then we did zipline. Honestly, I didn't think my kids would do it so easily. Chitrangda although had done it once before, but this was Vahin's first time. More than them, I think I was excited seeing my kids do this fun activity. And then we took Chitrangda for rope course. Well, she wasn't ready at all and didn't want to do it. But honestly, I wanted her to break her fear and try this. She did start well, but had a solid meltdown in between and started crying, in fact howling. So we just cajoled her to complete that lap and stopped the activity then. And though it was very hot outdoors, but the mist fans really helped. Our last activity of the evening was go-karting for my Formula 1 lover, and how thrilled he was. He ended up doing it twice. He's such a fan of cars, bike races that he could not stop admiring himself there. Well, that was really fun watching him had all the fun. Chitrangda also tried their mini golf activity, which was very nice, and there was also a trainer available to help them know the game. I hope you could see the fun that we had yesterday. I would recommend all the parents to take your kids to Tingaland Extreme. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also put in your comments if you want to know anything about Tingaland Extreme. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and please hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. Bye bye, tata, namaste.